Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might just change the way you think about your veggies. You may have heard that vegetables are the key to good health, and while that is mostly true, there are a few exceptions that you should know about. Imagine being 60, 70, or even 80 years old, and still enjoying your meals without worrying about hidden risks in the foods you eat. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 vegetables that many of us have trusted for years, but you might want to think twice before adding them to your plate. Stick around, because what you're about to learn could help you avoid some serious health problems later in life. Before we jump in, if you enjoy learning easy tips for a healthier life, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe. It's a quick click that lets us know you care about making smarter choices for your health, and it helps our community grow. Your support means a lot, and it motivates us to bring you more straightforward and useful advice every week. Now let's start our countdown from number 5 down to the most important one at number 1. Number 5. Spinach. Spinach is widely celebrated for its high levels of iron, vitamins, and antioxidants that support overall health. However, what many people might not realize is that consuming too much spinach can lead to an overload of naturally occurring substances called oxalates. These oxalates, when accumulated in the body, may combine with calcium to form crystals. Over time, this buildup can contribute to kidney stones or other kidney-related issues, particularly for those who are already prone to such conditions. It's important to enjoy spinach as part of a balanced diet and be mindful of the quantities you consume. Remember, moderation is key, and mixing up your greens can help you avoid any unwanted side effects while still reaping the benefits of this nutritious vegetable. Number 4. Kale. Kale has earned its reputation as a superfood, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and packed with antioxidants that many believe help boost immunity and reduce inflammation. However, kale also contains natural compounds known as goitrogens. These substances can interfere with the function of the thyroid gland if consumed in very large amounts, potentially leading to issues like hypothyroidism in individuals who are already susceptible to thyroid imbalances. While kale is certainly a healthy addition to most diets, it's important to be aware of how much you're eating, especially if you have a history of thyroid problems. By enjoying kale in moderation and as part of a varied diet, you can safely take advantage of its nutritional benefits without risking your thyroid health. Number 3. Raw kidney beans. Raw kidney beans may seem harmless at first glance, but they contain a naturally occurring toxin called phytohemagglutinin. This toxin is a protein that, in high amounts, can be quite dangerous. When kidney beans are not cooked properly, this compound can cause severe reactions, including nausea, vomiting, and intense stomach cramps. The toxin can interfere with normal digestion and may even lead to food poisoning-like symptoms if ingested in large quantities. Cooking kidney beans thoroughly is essential because the heat breaks down the toxin, making them safe to eat. If you love kidney beans, always be sure to soak them for several hours and then cook them well to ensure that any harmful substances are effectively eliminated. Taking these precautions means you can continue to enjoy the rich flavor and nutritional benefits of kidney beans without any of the risks. Number 2. Green potatoes. Potatoes are a popular and versatile food in many kitchens, but sometimes you might notice a greenish tint on their skin or flesh. This green color is a sign that the potato has been exposed to light for too long, triggering a natural process that increases the level of a chemical called solanine. Solanine is a toxic compound that, in high amounts, can cause symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, headaches, and even more severe health issues. The more green the potato, the higher the solanine concentration can be. It is important to know that even small amounts of solanine might be harmful if consumed frequently or in large portions, especially for those who are sensitive to its effects. To enjoy potatoes safely, make sure to store them in a cool, dark place and always check for any green areas before cooking. If you see a green spot, cut it away, or if the greening is extensive, discard the potato entirely. By taking these precautions, you can continue to enjoy potatoes as part of a balanced diet without risking your health. Number 1. Rhubarb leaves. At the top of our list, we have rhubarb leaves, which are particularly dangerous, despite the fact that the stalks of the plant are safe to eat when cooked properly. Rhubarb leaves contain high levels of substances known as oxalic acid and anthraquinone glycosides. These chemicals can be very harmful when ingested, potentially causing severe poisoning. Symptoms of rhubarb leaf poisoning include burning sensations in the mouth, stomach pain, nausea, and in extreme cases, difficulty breathing, or even kidney failure. The safe, edible part of the rhubarb plant is the stalk, which is used in a variety of tasty recipes, from pies to jams. However, it is critical to never use the leaves for any culinary purpose. Even a small amount can be dangerous, so always make sure to separate and dispose of the leaves properly when preparing rhubarb. Understanding the risks associated with rhubarb leaves can help you make safer choices in the kitchen, ensuring that you enjoy the benefits of this unique plant without any unintended consequences. When it comes to maintaining good health, especially in our later years, choosing the right vegetables is key. There are plenty of nutrient-rich options that not only boost energy levels, but also support vital functions like digestion, bone strength, and a healthy immune system. One excellent choice is broccoli. This vegetable is packed with vitamin C and K, fiber, and antioxidants that help protect cells from damage. Its natural compounds are known to support heart health and keep inflammation at bay. Adding broccoli to your meals can be as simple as lightly steaming it or tossing it into a warm salad. Carrots also rank high on the list. Loaded with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, carrots support vision and immune health. They make a perfect snack when eaten raw, or can be cooked into soups and stews for a gentle boost of sweetness and nutrients. Leafy greens are a must for seniors. Varieties such as spinach, Swiss chard, and arugula offer an array of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These greens help maintain digestion and reduce the risk of chronic illnesses. They can be enjoyed in salads, blended into smoothies, or lightly sautéed with garlic. However, the caution is simply about eating it in excessive amounts. Large quantities of spinach can lead to a buildup of oxalates, which might increase the risk of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. For most seniors, a moderate serving of spinach as part of a varied diet is both safe and beneficial. Sweet potatoes and butternut squash provide another great option. Both are rich in fiber and vitamins, and they offer a natural sweetness that satisfies without adding too many calories. They help regulate blood sugar levels and promote heart health. Finally, bell peppers add a vibrant touch to any meal. With high vitamin C content, they contribute to collagen production, which is vital for healthy skin and joints. Their crunch and flavor can liven up any dish, from stir-fries to raw snack platters. Incorporating these vegetables into daily meals can lead to a balanced diet, ensuring that seniors stay active, independent, and healthy as they enjoy life to the fullest. Thanks for joining us on this journey to better understand the hidden risks and benefits of the vegetables we eat. Remember, it's all about balance and moderation. While some vegetables may require careful handling, many remain excellent choices for a healthy, vibrant life, especially when tailored to the unique needs of seniors. We hope this guide empowers you to make smart decisions in your kitchen, ensuring that each meal is not only delicious, but also supportive of your overall well-being. If you found this information useful, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Your feedback and engagement help us bring you more clear, practical advice for a healthier life. Feel free to leave any questions or tips in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.